In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a limit on app usage on your iPhone. This is really helpful if you want to control how much time you spend on certain apps each day. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you find Screen Time and tap on it. Next, scroll down and select App Limits. Make sure that App Limits is turned on. After that, tap on Add Limit. On this page, choose the app you want to limit. For example, I'll tap the drop-down arrow next to Social and select Facebook to restrict my usage. Once you've selected the app, tap Next. Now set the amount of time you want to allow each day. For example, I'll set mine to 3 hours per day. You can also tap Customize Days if you want different limits for specific days of the week. When you're done, simply tap the checkmark icon to save your settings, and that's it.